He's nice with it. He's smooth with it. He's swerving. They got the chopper out for us. So what's up, boys? We're back. It is the Boston invasion. We have everyone here. We got cars, we got bikes, we got the whole squad. We're gonna be going all the way to Boston for the invasion, and let's just say it's gonna be some crazy sneak peek at the Ventus one. This thing, yeah, it is nasty, disgusting. Spit on it. We got the light B.
That's not a light B.
It's not? What is it?
Ultra B.
Ultra B. Oh, we was wrong. Ooh. Beefy, brand new back tires. We ready?
Back in my bag and I gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal.
Look at the quad we got. Yo, we here, we outside, we in Beantown, back at it again. Except this time, we're not going to the micro center. We riding, boys. Let's go, baby. Ain't got no time to sleep. Ain't got no time for sleep. We get outside. Bro, I've been in eco mode this whole time. Oh, damn, we got the whole squad here. Oh, shit. Yeah, what's up again?
Line up somewhere, put your bikes out.
Oh, shit. Yo, how you doing, man?
What's going on, baby?
I'm all healed. Yeah, I'm all healed. We good.
Oh!
Nah.
Band-Aids on your hand, yeah.
Duck boat. Squeezing in. Yeah. Yeah. This thing's pretty loud.
Was that the JBL flip?
Yeah, I just bought it like last night. I got it for like 80 bucks. Yeah, I had it like one night shipped, yo, because I was like, I need this. I bought some dude from, he's got the, I don't know if it's Barbell Fab, but he's got a 12 bar. I ordered one of those too. I spent 600 bucks and the dude on IG ghosted me. I was so triggered.
All right, we're about to roll out.
I got no time to sleep. I got these motherfuckers on my mind. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the Boston ride out from 2024. Yes, I know, a long time ago. Unfortunately, we had some issues editing. Mostly just, I hate editing. It takes forever, and I CBA. Especially when the summer hits and it's 75 degrees out, I want to be outside riding. I don't want to be inside editing 40 hours a week. F that. So, we found an editor. Hopefully we can have these videos out more consistently. Sorry for the wait. Also, if you guys want to sub to the channel, we'd appreciate it. We need to be able to upload thumbnails and links in the channel because everybody keeps asking me where I get my parts, but I can't post links until you guys sub. So you sub, I post the links. Win-win. There's that green light, baby.
I just been keeping my poise, made by the million.
Oh, there we go.
Employed. They text me about green, but not on Android. She not my shawty, she feeling the void. I make the sounds that cut through the noise. He think he a man, but he chillin' with boys. Put down the liquor, start drinking LaCroix. The pain wasn't choice, but now I rejoice. My uncle had told me. Play the shit smart, not my bragging and dumb. Lil' shawty had hit me, said she wanna come. Her dress is just black, but she not a nun. I'm so Pasadena, cause that's where I'm from.
Yeah, I actually like literally almost hit that pole sliding, trying to not hit you. That. Oh, we couldn't do it. God damn, it's a bridge.
Look, what the you think I do it for? Do it for? Hey, looking in the mirror, you the go.
Brooklyn.
I'll get running 24.
That 90-year-old woman was fucking bugging that you were doing this. She was mad excited.
24. So in the mirror, you the go. You the go. Hey, what the think I do it for? Do it for? Hey, looking in the mirror, you the go.
God damn, boy. You get a little close.
So in the mirror, you the go. You the go. I ain't these snooze in a minute. Got the bag, then I took it independent. Model 3, you know it's not rented. Authentic, every vibe is submitted. Fresh days, now we jumping out the ceiling. Tough times, made a diamond.
Mad pigeons and
when I'm dealing. Got house, we my focus on the building. Just some love now, I'm feeling so prolific. Hustle loud, but you don't get it.
Yo, what up, Chief? You remember me? Yeah, you busted your ass. Just making sure. What up, Chief? Oh. I can't lift it at 30 on this, but I gotta do it a different way.
Ball on the fade away. Hey.
We in the thick of it, boys. The thick of it. So much going on everywhere.
Three, you know it's not rented. Authentic, every vibe is a minute. Fresh J's, now we jumping like the ceiling. Tough times, made a diamond out of feelings. All facts, they can't question what I'm dealing. Got house, we my focus on the building.
You f***ed up. You that guy. Wow, this is crazy. Fun up here. This is wild. Gosh, golly. It's like our own little path. This is kind of sick up here.
You know, this was the exact moment that we realized we needed a 72 volt. I swear, the Talaria XXXs are awesome, but they just don't have the power. And with the added weight from my 12 o'clock bar that I have installed on it now, it really needs that extra oomph from the battery controller and motor.
Look at the skeleton. They got that laid out on the top. 83.
Down low, up top. On my way to the bag at the bus stop.
Damn, this is it. This is it. Wow. That's funny. That's hilarious. Whoa! I felt your blazer. I could feel your jacket on my wrist. Smoke shop. He goes, I still need my top speed.
Don't get top speed. No, he don't. He's 145.
Bus stop. Some blow, some flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop. Don't stop, keep going. I got this mantra in my head and make me keep flowing. Pour shots, keep pouring. It's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it. I see a flip, I make a flip. I'm a hustler.
Let me scooch in with you real quick. Honestly, it's still probably fun as hell even being on that.
It's for my people standing up until they back hurt. It's for my people standing up to get the cash, sir. My minimum wage, and on my cash clothes. It's what I gotta do, but yo, I need the bag first.
Okay, I'm reloaded.
Yo, they say I need a master's. They must have never heard me rap. It's a fact word. The system got me.
You good? Thanks, you little. Damn. You good? You got though.
My bag and I gotta brag, I do this shit for real. And we was down and we had nothing.
Did you get Who'd you hit? I couldn't see fast enough.
I hit the you know that water? You know those jugs?
Oh my. Would you just clip it? Yeah.
I seen that there was no exit.
Bag was the answer. Down low, up top. On my way to the bag at the bus stop. Some blow, some flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop. Don't stop, keep going. I got this mantra in my head and make me keep flowing. Pour shots, keep pouring. It's no more vodka in my head.
You're right at head level to the mirrors. Dude's dodging the mirrors.
Pass out, reaping what I sow.
Oh, okay, we got the duck boat, baby.
Moving cousin, Black Emperor, open the cash register, running sales back to back.
We out here doing it for real, y'all are posers.
How can I shelf you? Dealt with wealth, please help yourself, boo. You hear the way how I be rocking on the beat. I'm a rock star, boy I rock it to sleep. I'm a lead from the seasons I spent on my fucking job, and I signed a deal. I just saw that the guy, down low.
Race mode, engage.
On my way to the
damn.
bus stop. Some blow, some flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop. Don't stop, keep.
She going to the left.
Baby, keep flowing. pour shots, keep pouring. It's no more rocking, I ain't got no release for it. Ay.
Damn, Jeremy brought out the fucking designer jeans. Shit.
Down low, up top, down.
Yeah, gang, gang. Oh damn. Oh damn. Took a bite out of crime. No way we pull over right after. Yo. Oh, bro, yo. He trolled I actually was like, yo, it's on, bro. Where is that? Yeah. You trolled me, How's it going, Chief?
Yeah, you trying to get a pic?
I mean, I kind of was just zooming, but
Good.
like I have a Canon EOS R.
Oh yeah?
I can't do both. I can't film and fucking ride, you know? But I wanted to get like some dude with like just to hold my
What they do, they get a pickup truck.
Yep,
You have a separate
exactly. You have a, yep, that's why. It's a bit harder. You have to like know the route, get in front of people, do the shots, catch up. It like does take a bit of the fun out of it though.
Knowing the route is the hardest part.
You're from around here?
Yeah.
Apparently we going though. We just out here chilling, having it. Oh snap. Oh, big bump. Hey, Raquero, I saw you waving.
Couldn't even stand still, bro. Like super
He was wandering. He was wandering. Woo! You had me skirt my end a little bit. A new tire, ruining it. Ooh! I was like, yo, is he gonna make it? Woo! Oh! Oh damn, we got the Cybertruck, baby. Oh, okay, we got the Cybertruck. What? Yeah. Oh, we f***ed up. Oh, he said scooter gang, bro. Mad disrespectful. That do sound like a bee. Did this dude just ask the bicyclist? See some interesting plates today. Oh, we got a over here. Yeah, honestly, everybody's dressed up. I wish I had my costume, honestly. I should be in it. I can't bring it up straight. Not at 23 at least. At 18, sure. 23, nah. Hey, yo, smile for the camera. He's nice with it. He's smooth with it. He's swerving. Battery, 45. They got the chopper out for us. Damn, that sounded so aggressive. Yo, wait, where are we going? I'm on the wrong side, guys. No way. Oh my God, we're so lucky.
I did it all with no help from a label. Came a long way from stealing that cable. Cheat up, drip down.
The f, bro. You guys make it so hard for me to film you because you're always doing random.
Say that, sit down. I don't need a cosign. Need a new phone line. I think I'm too full of myself and they full of that.
Skirt. Whoa, cruise liner. Baila. I'm just waiting for somebody to go. Oh. The seal comes up, helps you lift your bike up. Oh, what's up, dude? The float seat? It's honestly so much more comfortable.
Wow.
Yeah. For $50, it is genuinely one of the best upgrades you can get for this bike.
I would love to, but I can't.
He's like, I got to show my car off to somebody. He's like, that just made my whole week. I guarantee you. We leaving? What's going on? We leaving? I guess. You out?
Yes, sir.
Dude, it was good seeing you, man.
Oh, likewise, likewise.
Always fun to ride. We'll have to do another one of these.
Oh, yeah, hell yeah. It's always been a pleasure, fellas.
True.
Yo, shout out to everybody that came to the Boston Invasion. It was hella fun, and I can't wait for the next ride out. Yo, as always, thanks for watching until the end of the video. Next video, we're going to be unboxing the Ventus 1 Plus. There's only 20 allotted for the United States as of June of this year, and we were able to get our hands on one of the 3 that Charge Cycleworks was selling. They have been instantly sold out on drop by every single retailer in the United States, so make sure not to miss that video. Cowabunga, dudes.
Hey, we're parked here. We're leaving right now.
Yeah, we're parked. We have parking tickets. What?
Heroes in a half shell.